Hi, and welcome back to my 2020 holiday series. I hope that you are enjoying this series so far. I am having such a great time creating these videos for you, and I just wanted to take a second and say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for all the sweet comments that the other videos have received. They mean the world to me, so I just wanted to say a quick thank you. But today I am coming at you from my bedroom, covered in glitter. I don't know if you can tell, but I do feel like I have glitter all over me because I just decorated the bedroom for the holidays and the bathroom as well. I did the bedroom, bathroom, so master suite, and I filmed the entire process so I could share it here with you today. So I hope you enjoy. So it actually took me a couple of days to decorate this space. I decided to put up and decorate the tree the evening before I put out all the rest of the bedroom and bathroom decor. That is what you see me doing here. I wanted to just quickly apologize for the poor lighting in the next 30 seconds of the video or so. It does get better, I promise. I just do not have good lighting in this room for filming apparently, but I did want to show you a bit of the tree trimming process.
We'll stay warm inside. We'll feel the fire burning, baby. Spin that record one more time. 'Cause we're gonna spend our night dancing in Christmas style. Pack your bags, pack your coat. Hurry up, it's time to go. Jingle bells and let it snow.
I found this double-sided pillow at Home Goods. As you can see here, even Hank loved it. I think it matched my decor perfectly this year.
Feel the home fires burning, baby. This drive might take a while, but we are headed home, traveling Christmas style. Everybody's snowed, but we got the fire going. Who cares what the weathermen say?
The best way for me to describe the theme that I chose for the bedroom this year is just very much so elegant holiday glam. I used tones of silver, lots of glitter, and white with just a hint of pink and rose gold thrown in. It is so festive and peaceful in here, especially at night when the tree is lit. I really love how it turned out.
Laughter floats through the air, wrapping paper everywhere. Lights aglow on the tree. Nowhere else I'd rather be.
I decided the tree needed a few finishing touches, so I am just adding some icicle ornaments to the outer branches.
Living in Christmas style all night. Living in Christmas style, that's right. Living in Christmas style.
I'll hang stockings by the fire, take peppermint canes out the cupboard, up to the attic, a box full of lights. So much more we've left to discover. Ribbons all entangled in the garland, mistletoe and angels' wings. Might be here for a little bit, but darling, if it's with you, it's okay with me. Oh, do you know what's got me feeling fine? It's the two of us and Christmas time. There ain't nothing else that brings us to life quite like ringing bells and Christmas time. Dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-dum. we're tired, wrap ourselves up head to toe. Listen for the reindeer on the rooftop. He knows who's been good this year. All the elves are on vacation from the workshop. It's almost here. Oh, do you know what's got me feeling fine? It's the two of us and Christmas time.
So I'm actually using an old scarf as my tree skirt for the small tree in the bathroom. I think it's just a fun way to use something I already had as an alternative to a tree skirt or fabric, and I think it turned out pretty cute.
Only Christmas time is like this. Everybody's filled with cheer. I wish we could stop for watches and keep all of the magic here. Oh, do you know what's got me feeling fine? It's the two of us and Christmas time. There ain't nothing else that brings us to life quite like ringing bells and Christmas time. Dee-dum, 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 dum. Dee-dum, dum, dum. Dee-dum, 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 dum, 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 dum. Oh, do you know?
Thank you so much for decorating with me today. If you would like a closer look at all of the bedroom decor, there will be a video on my channel that is just a tour of this room decorated for the holidays. So be sure to check the description box below. It'll be there when it is available. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday season.